way he paints the women, it always makes it look really sexy. So to be able to do one of his pieces, it's kind of like an honor, you know. So you like it? You happy with the placement?
I love it.
Cool, it's just fun. You need to want to get this.
Well, you know, it's strong looking women.
That's good, yeah, I like that.
All of his work has a little bit of edge on them, a little bit of blood, and the cigarette hanging out. They're kind of
Do you ever try to get in contact with the artist at all?
yeah, we've been talking back and forth through email.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What a cow. What a cow.
Yeah. You know, I just told him I was thinking about it, and he's honored, and yeah, he's really excited when he found out you're doing it. Obviously, he was.
That's cool, I'm excited. It's always nerve-wracking tattooing other people's artwork. I just wonder what they think, and I wonder if they think I've made a bad decision or a bad color choice, but I guess I gotta do the best I can for the tattoo. Sometimes you gotta change it a little bit.
Come on.
Dude, check it out. See what you think?
Oh, I love
What?
it. It's so
Oh, let's see when he
awesome.
sees it.
She looks like it's awesome. I just hope it's a really good representation of the piece, and my expectations were blown away.
Wow. Wow.
Thank you very much, dude.
So much, I really
Have a
appreciate
safe trip back, okay?
it.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
What a kiss.